Welcome to my house. No, it really is my house. My husband Aaron and I are so excited to share this very special home with you, and we know you are going to love the improvements that we've made over the years. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, hardwood stairs, 12 by 24 tile added in all 3 baths and laundry room, dramatic backsplash, beverage center, quartz counters, and a custom 3-seater island have been added in the kitchen, fenced-in backyard, fresh landscaping, and all appliances are included, even the washer and dryer. Don't forget the awesome Avondale Park amenities, 3 pools, a playground, and abundant green space. All of this and more in the heart of Blvd. For more information or to set up a private viewing, please reach out.